What's up, y'all? We are in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. I'm just kidding. I don't think they say it like that, but I just dropped my husband off. The car, his car's on the I can't talk today. God damn it. His car is on the fritz, is what I was trying to say. I don't know what's going on with it, but his car's in the shop. It's in the shop. I used to work out Wayne's this many moons ago. I worked out here and it was awful. It was god awful. I worked out here at an animal shelter. I'm going to put them on blast. Their name is Antietam Humane Society. They were freaking disgustingly awful place. That was an awful place. Awful. I don't even know where it's at. Like, I can't even remember. I only worked there for like a month because a lot of shit went down. First of all, I worked with a bunch of damn rednecks, which is fine. I think everybody's got a little redneck in them. That's fine. And the place was disgusting. There was like a mouse infestation. No shit. You pick up a bag of like dog food and there was like mouse turds everywhere. They just like opened the kennel doors and let the dogs just like run amok. I'm like, what? Like, you lazy fucks. Like, put a fucking leash on these dogs and take them out one by one. You're gonna have a dog fight, you dumbasses. So then I got hurt really bad. Like, really fucking bad. Because these assholes just like open up a kennel door and let all these dogs out, and they're running amok. One jumps on me. I land right on my knee and cracked my knee. Yeah, that was not fun at all. And so I was hurt, but I still had to go to work because I was only making like $8.50 a freaking hour. And then the place, like Humane Society, my ass, they euthanized so many effing animals. It was disgusting. They had cats in dog crates on top of dog crates on top of dog crates. Like, I'm gonna put these people on blast because I really don't care, because, you know, I haven't worked there in many years. They can suck it. And then okay, first of all, if you know me, you know I don't drink Coca-Cola. I like it. I don't drink it. The only Coca-Cola I'll drink is McDonald's. That's it. So I'm not like a Coca-Cola drinker. Never really have been, because it gives me like the worst acid reflux. I don't know why. I don't know if it's like, it's just syrupy, you know, whatever. So, if anyone knows me, they know that I drink Pepsi. Like, I drink Pepsi. I don't drink Coke. You know, I don't even really drink Coke products at all. So, anyway, this girl accused me. She would bring in like Coca-Cola all the time. And she accused me of stealing her Coca-Cola. And then the manager lady I said, ma'am, I don't drink Coke. I drink Pepsi. You see me in here drinking Pepsi. Anyway, it was a fucking disaster. And then I got like super sick too, because it was starting to become like fall and the weather was changing. Whoever, they got me out cleaning dog kennels. They got me out cleaning dog kennels in the rain. They didn't have any like tops on their dog. That place was gross. It was just stupid. That was literally like the worst animal shelter I've ever been in, worked at. There's a tattoo place called Vice City Tattoo. So is Waynesboro known as Vice City? Anyway, I took a job. I work in an animal shelter. I work in an animal shelter now. It's very nice shelter. But it is Frederick County, Virginia, not Maryland, Virginia Animal Services. And I'm adopting a dog. I don't know if this dog's going to be for me. If my mother wants it, she can have him. But the dog should be ready tomorrow, because the dog had to go get spayed and all that, and, you know, go to the vet before it can come home. So I'll be adopting a doggy, and I'll show you the doggy. And she's cute. And I think I'm going to name her Mia. She's like a Pekingese mix, which is really not my type of dog, but I just love her little personality. You know, she's adorable. She's adorbs. But I'm part-time there. I work a couple days a week. And it's far from my house, so I had to get a new job. Which I haven't started yet. I don't know, man. I'm going this way home because my husband took me some weird back way. And I'm like, why are we going this way when we could go this way? We're in Pennsylvania. He is in training for his job, so I had to drop him off. The training lasts like 8 weeks or some shit. I'm like, well, damn. Not a good time for your car to be effed up, but I mean, he can't help that. I know my husband is very hard on vehicles, but he's had this car since, God, 2000, oh God, I can't even remember. 2018? 2018? 2019? Something, I don't know. Sorry. I don't smoke in the car. I don't smoke while driving with my husband because he doesn't like it. Even though it's my damn car. shit, I could freaking poop in my car if I feel like it. Not that I really want to, but who wants to clean that shit up? Literally. Yeah. So I had to drop him off. Oh God, 35 miles an hour. Oh shit, I thought that was a restaurant. It's not. I just feel like this way is easier. So it's far. I mean, his training is far. And then, when he's done his training, he's going to work near Charlestown, West Virginia. But the training is only in Pennsylvania. PA. PA, people. So hopefully everyone's having a great day. It's 8:14 in the morning. It's too early for me. I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, that job, that was like one of my worst animal shelter jobs. I've worked in like, let's see, 1, 2, 3. This is like my 5th animal shelter job, basically. 5th or 6th. It's all I've done all my life. Pretty much. I've worked in other fields, like I worked at the Home Depot. That was awful. Sorry. I worked at a doctor's office. Oh, I told the lady there that she was the worst manager. I was young, y'all. I told the manager there she was the worst manager on the planet. I did. I was getting paid literally, I was getting paid $7.50 an hour to like put people in rooms and clean rooms. And they had like this big stock area where they would get like samples, soaps, lotions. Why did I steal that shit all the time? I would just like put it in my big old scrub pants and just take home samples of Dove and just all kinds of shit. Neutrogena, Cetaphil. I would steal that shit nonstop, constantly. I could not stop doing it. I couldn't stop. That was many years ago. I don't do stuff like that anymore. Literally, I promise you, like I do not do crap like that anymore. But I mean, I was like in my early 20s back then, and I'm like, shit, y'all only paying me $7.50 an hour. I'm gonna take something. Shit. I mean, I've never stolen money, but oh yeah, girl, I used to steal toilet paper. Like look at this heifer putting toilet paper in her bra. I couldn't help it. Like, I was broke. I think everybody's done shit like that. And if you haven't, well then you're a nerd. But I'm just kidding. No, if you haven't, then you're a good person. But I mean, I've worked every kind of job you can think of. I worked in daycares many years ago. I worked in... Where the fuck have I worked? I worked in food, like waitressing, hostessing, ice cream places. Yeah. But Mostly I've worked in like animal shelters. It's not as fun as people think it is. It's kind of depressing sometimes, but so right now I took a part-time job. They can only hire me part-time because nobody wants to hire full-time. Nobody wants to hire full-time. I'm fucking hungry. I don't know. I really want something to eat, but like I'm kind of far from home and I'm scared I'm gonna poop my pants. Like I don't know if you all get that. Like when you get older, you're like, oh no, it's fine, I'll wait. Because I might just poop my pants. Ew. And the funny thing about it is I've never actually like pooped my pants, but I'm just like always scared I'm gonna like poop my pants. I don't know why. It's like a fear of mine. This was me and my husband's first date was at this truck stop. Shitting you not. It's a long story. He was working and he worked late and he wanted to meet me, even though I had like known him, but we only like talked on like social media years ago, you know, like, or texted, or I don't know, but God, why is there so much fucking traffic? Jesus, what are you doing, truck? Oh, I hate you. So anyway, so he said, hey, you know, I know this is kind of weird, but do you want to meet up at the truck stop? Because he lived like way north, I lived like way south, so we met and we talked for like, I don't know, like 5 or 6 hours, just chilling. Fuck off, truck. Son of a bitch. We are on 81. This is the road for trucks. And it's so annoying. So, anyway, well, I'm going to end it there. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. You guys be safe. Because these mofos out here are crazy. All right, love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.